Hey, welcome back, guys. This is the part one of library inventory project, and we will be developing this project using jQuery Bootstrap, local storage, HTML, and little bit of CSS. So local storage is basically one of the browser's functionality, and if you have decent knowledge of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and jQuery, you are good to go with this tutorial. Even though you don't have knowledge about local storage, which we will be discussing in this tutorial or in this series of tutorial. So first I will show you the demo of the project which I have already created, and after that we will start with the tutorial and get our hands dirty. So let's get started. So this is how user interface will look, and user basically have to add data like book details here, and after adding and clicking on submit, the data will get populated here in a table format. But even if I don't add anything, and if I click on submit, it will show an validation error that please enter author name, please enter book name, book price, and things like that. So if I enter now book name, so if I add details, I will write test 11. So I'll just add some dummy details, test author 1 2, and if I click on submit now, it will show that quantity, price, and everything is mandatory. So I'll write this price is 200, quantity as 20, ISBN some random ISBN number, publisher I'll write test publisher, and here I'll write test description. Okay, now if I'll click on submit, the loader will be shown and my data will be here. Now if I'll add another detail, okay, test book name 11, test author name 12, book price will be 10210, book quantity will be 15, ISBN some random number you can add, publisher you can add as test publisher 11, description test description. You can click on submit now. You can see the data got populated here. Now if I'll reload this page, I'll refresh this page, the loader will be shown, but your data is saved, which is saved in your local storage of your browser, which is here. You can see the data whatever we have added here, it is present in the local storage of your browser. Okay, so what happens if I click on view? You can see you can view the data which you are selecting. Okay, if you want to view this second one, you can click here, you can view this data. You can edit this data as well. I mean, if you click on this edit button, you can go here, you can remove. I'll give it a name as maybe Ikigai. Yeah, I click on update. You can see this, the book name got updated. Same way you can you can update the author name, book price, and things like that. If I click on this, uh, once I click on delete button, it will ask, are you sure you want to delete? If I click on yes, the data will get deleted. Okay, so this is how our project will work. So I guess that is it with the demo. We will start the tutorial. Okay, so I'll close this. I'll open my file manager. I'll close this one as well, and I'll go here. I'll drive, and inside this I have to go Funlearn YouTube. Okay, I'll go here. I'll create one folder. I will give it a name as library inventory. Okay, I'll open this. Let's go to the Chrome, and what we can do is we have to download the Bootstrap. Go here. You can download this version or maybe latest version, up to you guys. Click on download. Okay, you open this. It is here. Extract this one. No, you can extract it. Go inside this, copy this, go to your folder which you have created, and create one more folder inside library inventory. Give it a name as Bootstrap. Go inside this folder and paste it that two of the folders, CSS and JS here. Okay, once you do it, go back to your library inventory, right click, show more option, and open with code. You have to open your this path with the code. Once it is open, just go here. Okay, you have to create one index.html. Okay, once it is created, go here, click on exclamation and enter. After this, once you are done with this, you have to add the CSS and JS file. So what you have to do is go here, link, the style sheet, href, and inside this you have to you have to go here inside CSS, just copy this, you have to paste it here. Okay, save it, and this will be your file, so copy this as well, backslash, paste it, dot css. Okay, once done, same way you have to give the script file path also, script src. Here it will be the same way, this backslash, bootstrap slash js backslash. You have to go here inside js, copy this one, and you can paste it here. Okay, once you're done with this, you have to go inside this body tag, and you have to create one div. You have to give this a class, container, container slash table. Okay, after this you have to h2 class text center. This will be library inventory. Let's save it. Let's open with the live server and let's check how it looks. This was supposed to be in a center. Let's open it in a Chrome. Okay, so there might be something we are missing. Okay, so you can see this, there is double S. Let's save it, and now you can see it is in center right now. we have to add another div. This will be class row. Inside this there will be another div which will be class col, which is for column. After this there will be one label. This will be your book name and the input type text, class form control id is equal to book name. Okay, then here in label we have to add for, which will be this one. Okay, and class will be form label. That's it. Let's save it. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks right now, but what you can do is you can add this call and you can save it, give it a name as book author. The name will be book author. Same way you have to copy this, paste it here. Let's save it. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. So basically what we have done is we have created one row. This one we have created one row. We have added one column which represents book name, another column which represents book author. Same way you have to add another div tag, div, give it a class row, another div for class call. Okay, inside this you have to add uh, the price of book and books quantity. Same way you can copy this, you can paste it here, give it a name as book price, copy this, paste it here, give this a book price. Same way copy this column, paste it here. This will be your book quantity, copy this, paste it here. This will be book quantity, save it. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. After this what you have to do is you have to add, I'll do one thing, I'll format the document. Now after this I have to add another row, so I'll add div. This will be class row, and inside this we can add one more div for column. This will be class call. Okay, same way add this, give it a name as book ISBN number, and give it as ISBN number. This will be publisher, book publisher, copy this, paste it here. This is publisher name, save it, and you see it. This is how it looks. We have to add another row which will have only one text area, and that will be the description. So we'll add this class row. After this row, same way, add the label here, and and we have to add text area. So we'll have class form control id book description row 3. Okay, let's save it. Let's see. So this is how it looks. We have to add two buttons, so what we will do is we will be adding one more row, class row, and this will be the class div. For column, class call type. We'll give this as id btn save. This will be have a class of btn success, and submit. Same way, just add this button here. This will be your reset, and this will be danger, and will be reset. Okay, let's save it. Let's see how it looks. So the page doesn't look good. You can see this publisher text area, publisher name text area. Maybe you have to add this description. I forgot. There is no gap or padding in between this. So what you can do is you can use the bootstrap class only. You don't have to write CSS for that. What you can do is go here, MB hyphen 3. Let's save it and let's see. So you can see there is now gap in between these text box and buttons, and also this is the publisher name. So what you can do is this will be description. Let's save it. uh, Looks good, but this should be in center of this form. So what you have to do is go here. There is this call, right? What you can do is hyphen sm hyphen 12, can give text center. Let's save it. And now if you see this, this is in center right now, and the page also looks good. The design looks good, and the design looks the same as the demo which I've shown to you all. So guys, that is it. I mean, I don't want to make this part one big, and I don't want to write the logic. I just wanted to create the design for this part, and the design part is done for the form. And again, there will be multiple design which I've showed, like there will be pop-up, there will be validation, there will be delete pop-up, edit button, view, edit model, view model. Then there will be the table. That all design will be there. But what I'm planning to do is I will cover that design in a part basis. Whenever I'm showing the data, then only I'll do that table part. If I want to delete then only I'll, give the pop-up for the delete. Are you sure you want to delete pop-up and things like that? So I'm planning to do that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with part 2 of this series. Yeah, bye.